Couplets. Pink window.
Pink window.
She is cleaning a pink window.
White goose.
White goose. White goose.
Can you point to this white goose's long, graceful neck?
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Orange carrot.
Did you know that orange carrots can be baked?
Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
The elephant eats bunches of yellow bananas.
Pink window.
Pink window.
White goose.
White goose.
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Let.
Cut.
Yes.
Let. Cut.
Yes.
Got. His.
Put.
Shapes.
Square.
Square. This is a picture frame. It has a square shape.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Look at the laptop screen. It is a rectangle.
Arrow.
Arrow. Have you ever seen an arrow on a road?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. The light is shaped like a semicircle.
Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Arrow.
Arrow.
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
Hose. Hose. Hug. Hug.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you, Mommy.
Horn. Horn. Words start with H. Hat. Hot.
Hen. Hop.
Hand.
Hippo.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job.
Arrow.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome.
Yellow banana.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Try again.
Great job.
Rectangle.
Can you point to?
Orange carrot.
That's right.
Orange carrot.
Which one is?
Semicircle.
Fantastic.
Semicircle.
Can you pick out?
Square. Awesome! Square.
Can you point to put?
That is right.
Which one is yes?
Awesome! Hooray! You have finished a lesson.
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.